Ever wondered why your muscles feel sore after a workout? It's a sensation we've all experienced, whether we're gym veterans or just starting on our fitness journey. That throbbing pain that hits you a day or two after an intense session. It's called muscle soreness, and it's a mystery that has left many scratching their heads. You might think, oh, I must have had a killer workout because my muscles are screaming. But here's a common misconception. Muscle soreness doesn't necessarily mean you've had an effective workout. It's not an accurate indicator of muscle growth or strength development. In fact, muscle soreness is a bit more complicated than that. It's a complex process that involves various biological factors. It's not just about how much you've lifted or how many miles you've run. It's about your body's response to the strain and stress you've put it under. So, are you ready to uncover the truth? Let's debunk some myths and reveal the science behind muscle soreness. Muscle soreness is actually a result of microscopic damage to muscle fibers during exercise. Now that might sound a little alarming, but let's delve into the science behind this process. Your muscles are composed of individual fibers, akin to strands of a rope. When you exercise, particularly during high-intensity workouts, these fibers experience a certain level of strain. This strain causes small-scale trauma to the muscle fibers, resulting in what scientists call micro-tears. Picture this. Imagine you're doing a bicep curl. As you lift the weight, your bicep muscle contracts. This contraction causes the muscle fibers to slide past each other, creating tension and potentially causing these micro tears. It's like a microscopic tug of war happening right inside your muscles. Now, your body, being the incredibly efficient machine that it is, immediately starts to repair these tiny tears. This process happens through inflammation, as your body sends in specialized cells to repair the damage. This inflammation can cause your muscles to swell slightly, and this is what leads to that familiar feeling of soreness and stiffness after a workout. But here's the thing, this process isn't just about repair, it's also about growth. As your body mends these micro tears, it also builds additional muscle tissue. This is how muscles grow and get stronger. So, every time you're feeling sore after a workout, it's a sign that your body is doing its job, repairing and strengthening your muscles. But what about lactic acid? You've probably heard that it's the cause of muscle soreness. Well, lactic acid does build up in your muscles during intense exercise, creating a burning sensation, but it's cleared out fairly quickly, usually within an hour or so after your workout. So, it's not actually the culprit behind the soreness you feel a day or two after exercising. That's all down to those micro tears and the subsequent inflammation and repair process. So, this microscopic damage is what makes you feel sore. But is this damage bad for you? We'll delve into that in our next scene, stay tuned. Contrary to what you might think, this damage isn't necessarily a bad thing. Now that might have you raising an eyebrow, but let's delve a little deeper into the world of muscle soreness. When you exert your muscles more than they're used to, like during a high-intensity workout or lifting heavier weights, you cause microscopic tears in your muscle fibers. This is the damage we're talking about. But hold on, before you start worrying, remember, this isn't the same as a sprained ankle or a broken bone. These are tiny, almost negligible tears that happen at a cellular level. Now you might be wondering, why would our bodies be designed to damage themselves? Here's the fascinating part. It's all part of a natural, even beneficial process. This process is the very foundation of muscle growth and strengthening. When you rest after a workout, your body gets to work repairing these microscopic tears. However, it doesn't just patch things up to their previous state. Instead, it rebuilds the fibers stronger and thicker than before. This is how muscles grow and become more robust. So the soreness you feel is actually a sign of these repairs taking place. It's your body's way of communicating with you, saying, hey, we're working on making these muscles stronger for you. It's a kind of progress report, if you will. Now, it's essential to note that this doesn't mean you should push yourself to the point of severe pain or injury. There's a difference between the usual post-workout soreness and the sharp, sudden pain of an injury. Always listen to your body and give it the rest and recovery it needs. In conclusion, muscle soreness isn't your enemy. It's a natural part of the process of muscle growth and strengthening. It's your body's way of saying, I'm adapting, I'm growing, and I'm getting stronger. So while it might be uncomfortable, this soreness is a sign that your body is getting stronger. Now that we understand why we get sore, how can we deal with this discomfort? Well, the key to managing muscle soreness lies in 4 main areas: nutrition, hydration, stretching, and rest. Let's dive into each one. Firstly, proper nutrition is crucial. When you exercise, your muscles break down, and the right nutrients can help rebuild them stronger than before. Consuming protein-rich foods and complex carbohydrates are essential for this process. Secondly, hydration. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins that can build up during a workout. Plus, it aids in maintaining muscle elasticity, reducing the chances of further discomfort or injury. Next up is stretching. Dynamic stretching before a workout prepares your muscles for the activity ahead, while static stretching post-workout can help alleviate muscle tension and enhance flexibility. Remember though, never stretch to the point of pain. Lastly, but arguably most importantly, rest. Your body repairs and strengthens itself in the time between workouts, and continuous training can actually weaken even the strongest of us. So listen to your body. If it's screaming for a day off, give it one. And we can't stress this enough, don't overdo it. More pain doesn't necessarily mean more gain. It's about training smart, not just hard. Remember, muscle soreness is a part of the journey to a stronger, healthier you. So don't be discouraged when you feel sore. Instead, see it as a sign that you're pushing your limits and growing stronger. So, next time you feel sore after a workout, remember it's a sign that you're making progress. We've unraveled the mystery of muscle soreness, dived into the science behind it, and explored whether it's beneficial or harmful. We've also shared some tips on how to manage this discomfort. The key takeaway is that soreness is a part of the journey towards a stronger, more robust physique. Treat your body well, respect your limits, and keep pushing forward. Your muscles might be sore, but they're also getting stronger.